Hey guys, that came out really quiet. Hello everybody. So let me just explain myself. I don't know what there is to explain. So basically, I am in my apartment right now. I did do a couple move-in videos, but I thought that I would have more of a series. I basically got 2 move-in videos done and things just got very overwhelming. I was just trying to get everything in here and organize it all, and then just got busy. So a lot of this footage is old, a couple months old, which is so weird that I've been here for this amount of time because it's not even like close to being done. It's been a lot harder to move in than I thought. It's been a lot more expensive than I thought. It's a learning experience. I'm learning from it. But the bedroom that we all know and love, I had to leave. I had to move all my stuff out of it. It's like, okay, I don't like the word iconic, but that room, even if it wasn't iconic to anyone else, it was so, I loved that room so much, and I got in so many fights with my family about it. But in the end, I had to leave because I have an apartment. There's no really reason for me to move out and keep my bedroom at home. And also, my twin brothers are sharing a room, and they're 13, they're growing up, they've shared a room, they've shared a bedroom their whole lives, Jack and Reeve. Okay, I don't know why I have my ringer on all the time. So anyways, if you don't know the rest of my siblings, Ella is 17, Andrew is 14, and Jack and Reeve are 13. So I have 4 younger siblings, and the twins, Jack and Reeve, have shared a bedroom their whole life, which is normal to share a bedroom. I've had to share with Ella before. Anyways, I had my own bedroom in the basement, I had my own bathroom, and it was a blessing, especially growing up, being like 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, those were like my prime teenage years. I was in that bedroom. I don't know. It was just so nice to be in the basement by myself, and it kind of felt like my own little apartment down there. And I just had so much fun in that room. So many good memories, so many bad memories. But that room has so many memories, especially for you guys if you've been watching my videos for a while. Like I really filmed in that room a lot, and I spent a lot of my time in there, and it's my safe place. It was my safe place. I'm sad that I had to leave, but also my brothers do deserve their own room. So that's the next video. The next video is which brother gets the room, because they all obviously want their own bedroom in the basement because all my other siblings are upstairs with my parents and I had the basement alone. So now that I'm gone, the boys are fighting for their own room. So cue this footage from a couple months ago. I can't believe it's already been a couple months, but of me leaving my room. Crazy messy. Oh god. Need pile. Do not need pile. Alright, so we're done with night 1 of cleaning out my room and everything. So this is my closet. It's all cleaned out. It's my shoe rack. Yeah, just like my clothing rack. I used to have sweatshirts up here and memories and stuff from when I was a kid, like all along here. And then I had like my socks and underwear and stuff over here, bras, and then I had like t-shirts and everything right here, workout stuff and pants over here, and then I had dresses right here, like dress up stuff and cardigans. So in this box we have some of my decorations. This is all of my like brand stuff I've done with brands, stuff from Starlight Village. Those are like bags and belts, and these 2 are filled with shoes and clothes. So basically right now what I'm doing is I'm cleaning out everything that you can't really see. So like my closet, you obviously can't see, and they're like, it's not a part of like the decorations. But yeah, we just did that for like 2 hours. It's very draining, and it's now 8:20. I have these 2 candles burning and the windows open. It's like perfect temperature outside, and I'm probably going to edit for a little bit and then go to bed early because I have moving tomorrow. Yay, I think. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys just a couple clips of me and my friend Grace moving in some of the furniture to the apartment. Hi. Wait, hold on.
How do I know if it's recording?
Okay, so we just, I'm with Grace.
Oh, shoot.
I think I turned it off. Oh no, it's still recording. We're going back to my apartment now. I do a peace in. And then, do you wanna help me set this up?
Set what up?
The furniture.
Sure. Okay, so yeah, pick up furniture. So we picked up some, but then it couldn't fit in the bag, in the back, the trunk. I can't even record while you're driving because I have to
watch me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how I ever got in an accident?
No.
I did nothing.
I wonder if I can get it to an angle where I can cover this person's license plate in front of us.
What are you doing tonight?
Me?
Yeah.
Nothing. I was gonna go on a Tinder date, but that we rescheduled for tomorrow.
Just brought up this cart full of stuff, and Grace helped me bring up this thingy in a cart earlier, and now she puts it together because apparently she likes putting things together.
I do. I find it very satisfying.
It's done? Wait, is it actually done?
Yeah.
No way. So yeah, this is my coffee table. I saw it at World Market and I thought that it looked really, really cool. So it's just like a layered
I put coasters down on your list because it said like...
Oh, I do have coasters. Yeah, I got these. So yeah, now we have to take this off, put it right here so that there's gonna be a little thingy going on here. Okay, so we have some bins right here, obviously. This is going to be my blanket bin. I don't know what's gonna go in there yet, but I have a few little extra hanging things right there. We have this coffee table, obviously, I just talked about that. And then we have these two chairs, the table, and then just these little coasters. But we made a list of everything that I need. So we're about to go to the store, it's 7:15. So I have to go back there to pick up my mirror for my bedroom because I got this really big full body wooden mirror. I wanna get a big white fluffy rug to put right here in the middle so that it'll be the big rug, and then I want like a cream couch. But I do.
I'm making her buy all these.
Paper towel holder. I need biodegradable. Oh gosh.
This is really cute lighting.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
I'm super grateful. I had a lot of friends help move me in throughout this whole process. All of my friends know they can come here whenever, hang out whenever. But yeah, now we're gonna go see my empty room. Okay, I'm about to go into the room. Woo. I am disgusted. Oh, God. Like, you guys do not even want to see this. I promise you. Okay, this is one of my brother's rooms. What the heck? Guys, remember when there used to be the iconic Polaroid wall right there? I'm still taking that, I think. But everything changed. Are you kidding me? Like, I'm sorry, but what? Not to be dramatic, but I'm sad. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what of this I want to even take back to my apartment. Like, this is just truly, let's just all take a moment, please. It's gone. It's gone, guys. It's gone. Throws up the peace sign. Oh my God. I'm thinking about doing a video on which brother gets the room or who has the room. Oh my God, my chandelier's even gone. Jeez. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I have to go. I have to like get out of here. It's not even my room. Oh gosh. Okay, bye guys, love you. I want to show you guys my room here and how far it's come along, but it's a little bit messy right now and I still have a lot more to clean up and work on and just organize. I will have more videos coming out, just me decorating and the whole process with it. I had to do a lot behind the scenes, just like organizing and cleaning and buying the things that you don't think about, like vacuums and cleaning supplies, and pots and pans and coffee grounds and like just like the most random things. Oh, like the things that go under your furniture so they don't scrape up the floor. Put that everywhere. It was kind of a lot, but I'm learning from it. It's been so much fun and it's really, really weird how I'm going to be decorating for Christmas soon. That's really weird. But I still feel very blessed that I have this place in my home and my family. They aren't too far away, so I can really go home whenever. It's just my room is gone and it's sad, but it's all part of growing up. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon.
The issue is that Hannah already had to reschedule her nail appointment.
I just don't think I'm gonna go. It's so sad. Okay, yeah.
She's so good for the environment that she carries her own shopping cart around.
I'm thinking, oh gosh.